Okay, I'm so sorry about that, boys and girls. My recorder decided to stop working. So, now that you've done numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, our last one is right here, number 5. So go ahead and put your finger on the number 5. On these lines, you're going to write the letter that says D, D, D. And that can be uppercase or lowercase. The letter that says D, D, D. Keep it in your brain, and then write it on your paper, the letter that says D, D. When you're done, give your substitute a thumbs up. And then you can close your books when everyone is done. Close your books and sit and just wait patiently for your sub to tell you what to do. Have a wonderful day, boys and girls, and I hope to see you very, very soon.